In this video, I'll show you how to fix a frozen iPhone. The first thing we'll try is a force restart to unfreeze your device. To perform a force restart, press the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Let me quickly stop this screen recording, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So once again, press the volume up, then the volume down, and hold the side button. You should see a screen that says slide to power off, but keep holding the side button until the screen goes completely black. Now, once it turns black, you'll eventually see the Apple logo. When you see that, you can release your finger. This means your iPhone has successfully force restarted. After a few moments, your phone will start up again like it's being powered on for the first time. Might take a minute or two as the device shuts everything down and reboots, but soon enough, your phone will be back to normal. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps out. Thanks for watching.